Welcome to Countryside Amish Furniture, a family-owned company that delivers solid hardwood pieces throughout the lower 48 states, straight from our workshops to be set up in your home. Here, all furniture is made to order by our Amish craftspeople based in Indiana, Ohio, and Pennsylvania. This means that you get to control the final outcome. Choose the specific hardwood and stain, as well as from a series of other choices, such as size and upholstery. This video will walk you through how to use the Countryside Amish Furniture site to do such tasks as choosing design features, ordering samples, and more. There are many ways to discover our furniture, starting with the top navigation. Explore pieces organized by room, function, and style. Once you find a category of interest, click on the Quick Look button for a sneak peek or visit the product page. Alternatively, click on Set Category Pages to view coordinating products grouped together. Another option is to use our search bar and start typing. Once on the product page, it's easy to find coordinating pieces. Many of our products are parts of sets that allow you to mix and match. Get to know our products. Click through the Overview, Features, and Dimensions tabs. Not all pieces will offer the same prompts for customization. However, with the exception of our outdoor products, all pieces will ask you to choose the hardwood and stain. Not sure which stain you want? No worries. Choose the option of Request Samples at checkout. We can send up to 4 samples for you to view in person, while our Amish craftspeople simultaneously start creating your piece. If you'd rather view the samples prior to making your purchase, visit the Order Samples area and follow the instructions accordingly. Depending on your chosen piece, you may receive other prompts for customization. For example, many of our tables let you select from multiple sizes and optional extension leaves. Products like our Garland desk give you the power to choose hardware. While we included our favorite suggestions, we can work with you to find options outside of what we offer on the page. Additionally, you can add or remove special features like wire grommets, keyboard pullouts, and more. For pieces with upholstery like our Palm Island tufted dining chair, you'll be prompted to choose between fabric and leather upholstery. From there, you'll be presented with dozens of different color and pattern options. Much like with the wood stains, you can make your final selection after your initial purchase, instead choosing Request Samples at checkout. When adding products to your cart, make sure to answer all questions. And if you have questions about specific features, use our live chat to talk with a real person. Take note, Countryside Amish Furniture can offer customization options outside of what's on the page. However, whenever possible, begin with an existing item. Locate the closest possible option from our site so that we have a foundation from which to begin. This helps us see your vision in the final piece and will assist us in identifying style specifics and more. Even if pieces of 2 or 3 items are appealing to you, make note of those for a starting place. From there, reach out directly to our team so we can work closely with you to determine exactly what you want and if it's possible. Let us know why you need to customize. By understanding the purpose of the alteration, such as the space requirements and your height, we can better suggest improvements. Choose your wood species. To produce an accurate quote, your chosen hardwood is necessary. Remember to provide the dimensions of both the piece you envision as well as the space in which the piece will go. This will help us determine if crown molding should be reduced, if an overhang needs to be eliminated, and more. A picture is worth 1,000 words. Even when you begin with an item online from Countryside, forward any images you may have that will help us understand your custom piece better. Once your items are in your cart, click on Details to double-check your order. You'll also be able to select up to 4 samples of stains and other applicable textiles. Just click View Options. Take note, all orders have a flat rate delivery fee of $150, regardless of where you live within the contiguous US. This includes all positioning and setup. Click Continue to Checkout, which will lead you to the final stage. Here, we'll ask you to enter your shipping and billing information, as well as your contact information. Last but most importantly, you'll see a field for Special Instructions. This is where you can provide information like your choice of a second finish for two-tone furniture, offer specific delivery notes, or request to remove bed slats to accommodate a specialized mattress. So what happens after your purchase? First, you'll receive an automated email confirmation. Shortly after, a member of our team will follow up with you via email to confirm all of the details of your order. Next, we'll send you any requested wood or upholstery samples so you can finalize your choice. Once your piece is ready, we'll work with you to arrange a delivery appointment. Our team will bring the furniture directly into your room of choice and set it up on your behalf. At any point throughout the process, our team is here to answer all questions and to guarantee your satisfaction. Thanks for watching and happy shopping.